Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh guys, this is why it's so important to check your bins every day. Even if you don't have time to do like a whole thing, just take 5 minutes and look. We had a storm here, you know, southern Indiana weather, I always tell you about it. And we lost power. And I didn't think to come check these thermostats. So since yesterday morning, they were turned off. They all turned off, and these poor things are, well, they're okay because they're inside the house, but they're cold. They're not, these cocoons are not at the temperature they're supposed to be. And I knew immediately that when I touched it, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's cold. So anyway, I turned them back on, and in about an hour or two, they'll be back up to what they're supposed to be. But my gosh, there's a little troubleshooting trick for you. Just watch them. So guys, look at the worms are doing. Looks like a star. They've congregating from all directions to the food in the middle. Wow. So wasn't that the strangest thing you've ever seen? My gosh. So this coming Sunday, I'm going to do these trays. And then hopefully I'll have enough to divide some of these breeders and fill up my last bin down there. And then we'll get that going. So, you know, this takes time to do, but it's doable. You have to have a lot of patience. And it'll work out for you. Remember, their bedding, try to make it a week ahead and have it like ready to go. It'll save you a lot of time. Plus, if it needs to pre-compost, it'll do that, and then you'll be all right. So the babies that I had harvested from the green breeder wall are all here, and they're growing up. They're getting nice and fat. And then when I do the red one on Sunday, they're going to go here. And then it rotates like that. Then the blue will go here. And then when I do the green again, they'll go here. And hopefully these will, well, they take about 8 weeks to fatten up. But I can either wait for them to get really fat and sell them by the pound, or I can sell the entire thing as a starter colony. Either way, they're growing up. So that's a decision I'll have to make once I get there. But everything will be back online soon. I put everything out of stock because I need to take time and continue to reevaluate what I have and not act in haste, you know? Anyway, I know this was a short one. I just wanted to show you these things. And I'll see you all next time. Take care.